Hello, all my HD Dental followers. It's Carly Edwards for HD Dental Coaching, back with another Carly's Corner. I took last week off, so I hope you guys all had a wonderful week. This week, I am going to give you the top 3 perfect times to ask for those 5-star Google reviews. So number 1 is send an after appointment survey. So if you have a system, for example, like Recall Max, if not, you can obviously do it manually, but you're actually able to send through a survey, and anyone who answers, you can customize it, say 9 and above for each kind of question that you've asked. The system will automatically send them a thank you email with a link to Google for them to submit a review. This works so well. Number 2 is in the chair. So while you're sitting the patient up, for example, you ask them, how was the appointment? If they say, wow, that was the best feeling I've ever had, perfect opportunity for you to say something along the lines of, I would really appreciate it if you would leave us a Google review. Maybe your clinic likes to have the team's names in the Google review. So you can say something a little bit cheeky, like, our boss loves if our names are in the Google review. And then the third best time is with the admin team at the admin desk. So when the admin team is checking the patient out, I implore you to please be asking the patient, how was your appointment today? Obviously, if they say it was horrible or something, then there's obviously something you need to be looking into, but chances are they're going to say, actually, it was really good, or something along those lines. So admin team, that is your cue to ask for that 5-star Google review. Thanks for tuning in to another week and another Carly's Corner. Can't wait to see you guys again next week.